up to?
All right, hey guys. So we're gonna be trying to change out this. I guess this is a spring now,
Yeah.
or was
a spring.
and this bushing on the cross shaft of the Buick Roadmaster.
Okay.
This is for the transmission linkage right here, and this is what helps you put it into park, drive, whatever, reverse.
Yeah. So without that bushing, it's got some slop in there.
Yeah.
You can kind of see. Look, you got a flashlight?
I do.
Shine up in right in that hole there, so you can see that that rod has got a lot of slop in it. Let me see it right there. Yeah, see all that? We want to kind of help that.
Not even connected anymore.
Yeah. So I think all we have to do is take this bracket off, and we should be able to swap them two out.
All right.
Where'd you find these at?
Amazon. 16 bucks. I could give you the part number, but I don't know it.
All right, well. Bottom one, pretty easy. Top one might be a trick. To use a regular ass wrench.
Yeah, I have to be a normal wrench. A wrench.
Not surprising, they come out super easy.
I'm really impressed.
Car's 30 years old.
It's not the oldest car here, but it's definitely one of them, and
Yeah.
it's pretty impressive.
Boom, bracket comes right off.
Oh, that's not gonna just come right off, though.
Is it just because it's globbered on the end there? What is that?
I think maybe that was somebody's solution. It probably was
Yeah.
too sloppy.
But I think for the video's sake, it'd be easier to take it off.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take this bolt out right here, and this pin out right here.
This probably would have been better if I did this with all the bracket still on it, but
Yeah. All right, we got the rod off of here. I just gotta figure out how to get this stuff off of there.
yeah, I think we clean this off. This should slide out. We'll probably have to hammer this thing off.
Yeah.
Looks like it's a little cockeyed, corroded, but go wire wheel it. I think we'll be good.
Yeah, that fucker stopped doing whatever it's supposed to do.
Hammer.
Just give her some tappy taps. It's moving. You did it.
Wait, that spring's fine.
It springs right back to life.
Where did that washer
It went
go?
down here. I think it's this one.
You could probably use that.
Yeah, that'll be fine. You want to clean the rest of the rough stuff off of
We
it?
should,
We're this far already.
Already got rid of the safety glasses. For safety. Problem is, like, I can't actually see through these, so like it still looks like it's rusty.
It's fine. Now we just put it all back together and it's good to go. Washer one right there. Christ, it's gonna be hard to put together with that much spring.
I know.
I'm really surprised it didn't come with the washer, but that should be fine.
There were kits that did, but those cost, you know, like $10 more.
Holy shit. Do you need any lube on there? Or that's gonna be good.
Well, you just have to put them together up there first, I think.
Yeah.
And then we'll
Finish.
What did you do with that pin?
I got it in my hand here.
Find that safe spot too, huh?
Well, close to it. Quite an interesting linkage here. I mean, oops, I touched it.
You just moved it all over the place.
Okay, yeah, you gotta get that in the hole.
What?
You gotta get. See how it's not in the hole there?
Oh.
Give it a tap or something to back it up. Keep switching from not light tight to not tight.
No, I just didn't like where it was sitting.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, that should be it. Why does it have that much play in it now?
Well, it has to be able to turn on there, but it does seem like more
It
play.
didn't have that kind of play.
Yeah, but that's tight on there. I think you're probably fine. That was just corrosion before. Here we go, spring, washer, and bushing. And then the bracket. Ooh.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I want to go through.
Is the washer like getting stuck here? You slide that on there and then I'll hold it. There you got it.
There we go. Oh no. Did I put this on?
No, that's right.
Why is it like up?
It's because it's got actual. What gears does it think it's in?
I don't know.
That lines up, kinda. Well, I thought I saw it there. It's hard to line up now because it's actually working the way it should. I believe. Yeah, that fucker's a little crooked. What you want to do when you take a rusty bolt out is you don't chase the threads or clean the bolts up.
Well, they're
Then-
tapping screws.
Yeah, oh yeah.
They're beveled. They're meant to just make threads every time.
Yeah. You just freshen them up. And that's it, guys.
Fixed.
That's how you change your shifter link bushing on your 91 Roadmaster, or probably other B bodies with the same transmission.
Probably just about any GM vehicle from the 90s with a,
Yeah.
frame on or body on frame.
All right, what should they do, Matt?
Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We really need it because, we drive things like this. Maybe one day we'll get one of them 22 fucking Yaris's or whatever, you know? But yeah, peace out. Broke ass performance is what it stands for.